Low-voltage lighting provides users with energy savings and more control over their lighting system. Installing commercial and industrial lighting can be complicated due to the many controllers and components involved. Enerlites' low-voltage dimmer series streamline installation processes by simplifying wiring connections to other devices. Unlike conventional methods that require the termination of multiple wires at terminal screws, the LV Cat5 coupler simplifies this task. Installers can effortlessly connect RJ45 ends to the coupler, significantly reducing labor requirements. The LVD series uses Cat5 cabling for 24-volt power and control signals. The LV Cat5 couplers have 2 RJ45 ports and 6 quick install and release terminals. For a single light fixture installation without sensors or other add-ons, you will need simple electrical tools: a Phillips screwdriver, low-voltage wire stripper, and a voltage tester. Start by turning off the power at the circuit breaker. Use the voltage tester to verify the line wire isn't live. Connect the line wire to the power pack and the load wire from the power pack to the light fixture. Connect the 24-volt wires to the terminals on the LV Cat5 coupler as shown in the wiring diagram: red to 24V, black to common, blue to control, and gray to manual. Next, connect the low-voltage wires on the ballast to the LV Cat5 coupler: gray to V negative and purple to V positive. Plug one end of a Cat5 cable with an RJ45 connector into the LV Cat5 coupler and the other end into the LVD101. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Test the dimmer to ensure proper functionality. Finally, push the wires back into the enclosure on the light fixture and reinstall the cover. Complete the installation by affixing the wall plate. The most common areas that use 0 to 10 volt lighting systems are office buildings, retail stores, hospitals, schools, hotels, and public buildings. To learn more about dimmer switches and other lighting solutions, visit Enerlites.com.